Guys, this is a fun one. This is called an extreme vodka watermelon. The beauty of watermelons is that whatever liquid you add to them seeps in. It's one of the few fruits that's able to retain what you add to it. So what you do is you cut little holes in, and then you stick in the various bottles of booze that you want to add. For a watermelon this size, you probably should only put in one big bottle. But because it's Tipsy Bartender, okay, and you know, we kind of dumb like that, we going overboard and adding all the ingredients for Long Island iced tea, which is vodka, rum, gin, tequila, triple sec, okay? You want to let this sit overnight or even for 2 days to try to allow as much of this to seep in as possible. You remove your bottles, slice it up, and you will definitely taste the booze that you add. It's beautiful, and this is one of the few fruits that you're able to do this with at this particular level. Stay tipsy, my friends. See, look at my face. You see that right there? That's where the alcohol hit.